Welcome back to Mantis.com. This tutorial is to get you started on creating a Mantis profile. Once you log into your account, you'll come to this screen, and we already have a couple of profiles started here, but we're going to pretend like we don't have one, and we're going to add a new listing or a new profile to our account. The screen that comes up next is our profile development page, and we are going to fill in some of these fields, and this is going to be Mantis sample. Business category is going to be web help, and contact Dave. As you go down through here, you can put, I'm not going to put the address, city, state, and zip in. The best thing to do as you're going through here, fill in the first few fields, and at that point, once you have the first few fields in, go ahead and save it. That creates the profile for the listing, and gives you the ability to make changes. And you also have to create that prior to creating your link and adding your logo. It has to have some place for it to be added. So, like I said, we're going to skip those. We're going to go down here and put in, now this is your URL address to mantis.com. So what you are going to put on all your documentation is going to be mantis.com / and the name of your business, and in this case I'm going to do Mantis sample. We don't have a web address that we're going to send it to, so if somebody wants to go, it's just going to take it to the main Mantis account. So we're going to put in www.manttus.com / manttus. To the side here, it shows you that how the address should look, and it needs to have the HTTP semicolon / into the address. So we have to go back here and go HTTP / and that would be the full address to our website. For email, we are going to put in info@manttus.com. And like I said earlier in prior videos, I always suggest that as you go through and make changes like that, save it periodically so that you know that those the changes are being saved. And prior to adding your logo in here, you have to go in and edit and save the rest of this information up here before you can come down here and add your business logo. So I'm going to scroll down here. Once it's created, you'll get a pop-up window that allows you to find it on your computer and then upload it to our server. If you don't save it prior to saving it and you try to go to the screen, it'll just give you an error message that you have to take care of business first. So we're going to go in here, go to our computer, find the graphic that we want, and we're going to open that and then upload that image to the server and go OK. And again, go up here so we can see our changes and save this listing. Boom, our graphic comes up, and there we are. Now you can go in here and edit your telephone number and so forth, and we are going to put in a telephone number here. I'm going to go back and look at my prior one and take this and copy that. Control V pastes. And I'm not going to stick in a tagline. I'll go ahead and put the address in by going back out here and grabbing it. City, copy. The easy way of doing things, copying and pasting. 9600. There we go. Again, go up, save listing, boom. That's all there is creating the upper part. Now we're going to go down here and play around a little bit with the editor. The first thing most people do is just go in here and add some text. Well, in this case, that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to put in welcome to the manttus.com sample page. Now, like on most editors of word processors and so forth, you can go through and take that text. You can change the font size, crank it up. You can take it and change the color. It's normal. We'll make it heading, and we're going to take the font and change the font to Courier. So you can come in and do just about anything that you want with the text. You can go and bold it, make it italics, underline it, all kinds of different things. So that's step one of going in and editing your profile. Come again, and we'll be continuing on with more features of the editor.